What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy LB and welcome back to my new tutorial video. Guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you how I create this effect.
ibipangu nazanye ikangu nyitagira ingista umuhungu w'irasta manuka costa ngafungira itawu imirongo y'abongwira itawu ni manega ndi high simfata ibifari bandatutra kuri morale ndakola.
So guys, I got this an idea in Kendrick Lamar songs which is called Humble. So that's where I get an idea. So and let me show you how to do it. And let's get a jump on it in Premiere Pro and let me show you how to do it. Simple trick. Here in my Premiere Pro workspace, I have two clips, okay? So how I should do. There's two clips, so it is one subject, okay, but doing some things, okay? So here I was singing, okay? And then for this second footage, it is the same position, okay? But what I changed in it is, okay, some different looks. So the first one has their own look and the second one has their own look. So, but it is on the same position doing same things, but was singing one song. So, and then what I'm going to do, so I'm going to pick this one footage, okay, and then I drop it here on the top of this first one, okay. But here, guys, I have to come here on this opacity to reduce the opacity to check it out if it is on the same direction, okay. If it does not the same direction, so what you have to do, you have to come to arrange it by using this position, okay, you see. And then make sure for this mouth and the noise, it is on the same position. Yeah, something like this, maybe. Yeah, this is, yes, this is good, okay. Yeah, this is pretty much. And then I'm going to use two different effects, okay. So the first effect, it is called a crop. So when I draw a crop here, so this is a crop, I have to drag and then drop it here on the top of this clip, okay. And then, so I just came here for these crop settings. So when I reduce or when I trim this left side, now you see how this clip it is, okay. You see, guys, so let me just, yes, you have to make sure it is on the 50%, okay. So when I play my clip, you see how it is, but it does not match well as possible. So let me just put it here. Yes, maybe it is on a 50. So now the things I'm going to do, and then I'm going to come back here for this position to balance it well, okay. Something like this, okay. So and then let me just increase this opacity and let me see how my clip it is going well, okay. But here there is some hellos that I have to fix. Here on this mouth, you see, guys, let me try to move it down, something like this. Now you see how it is. Now my effect, it is looking well, okay. So and then let me show the second method. So let me try to duplicate this clip here too, okay. And then on the top of this clip, let me delete this crop. So, and also, and I'm going to use mask. So you just come here upon on opacity, and then let me use this icon. So, and I'm going to trim, or I'm going to crop to mask between those, yeah, those two subjects, okay. So I can mask something like this. So now you see what you get. Yes, it's the same result as once, okay. The same result for, you see, so here too on this mask, you can just increase mask fader, something like this. You see how it is, or you can just put it on 0. Yes, something like this, or something like that, okay. This effect. So, and I'm going to add like a shape. Just you come here on rectangular tool, and I'm going to create a shape which will come here between those two clips, okay, something like this. And then, so let me try to put it. Yes, this is nice. And then I extend, depend how long my clip it is, okay? Now you see, so, and then you just come here on these shape settings, guys, okay? So here you can just increase, or you can just change any color you want of your shape, okay? So, but for me, I choose white, okay? And then now you see how it is. So let me just copy this shape, and then let me just come to paste it here on this second clip, okay? You see, guys, now we have the same result, but we have the same result. So guys, when you're done, let me just come here on this color workspace, guys. So for here, if you just want, you can just increase, or you can just change one subject to have their own look. For example, I just want to change this subject, yeah, this one, okay? Or I can just reduce the opacity. Oh, you see here there is some errors which is here on bottom one. So how can I fix it? Create an adjustment layer to add the crop, okay? So let me just come here on this new item, and then I create an adjustment layer. So I have to drag and then drop it here on the top of all layers, okay? So, and then just come here on this effect and drag and drop this crop. So let me just add like 3 on the bottom and 3 on the top. So now you see what the result I get, okay? So same result, but different effect. All right, and then this is the final result, guys, and I think so this video is gonna be helpful to you. And if you have any question, please drop it in the comment down below and let me know, that I can help you. And don't forget to make subscribe, like, share, comment, etc, guys, okay? And I will see you in next video. Peace.